I know this has already been done before,
Probably
but
gonna stay here and probably work on some
I've
avatars.
made a helicopter. Don't mind this little white thing, that's because I'm using an iPhone, look. Because I'm using this. That's the thing, I have to fix that. But yeah. Alright. Well. I'll just showcase my helicopter.
Best ways to travel here.
I know, again, I know this is...
Hey man, you good?
But...
Oh crap.
Oh, by the
Let me
way,
just,
Astro, I bought this for you.
land.
It's a
Please don't
paintbrush.
crash.
There you go.
No,
Okay.
Thank you.
I guess.
Yep.
Okay, I landed without crashing. Let's go.
You have no propeller anymore.
I think I missed like a lot of updates
What
because
happened to my propellers,
when did they
bro?
get gliders?
I kind of hit it, and yeah. I was trying to look for you, and I kind of hit it.
Oh.
Why are all the goggles so much?
Whoa. It's a helicopter.
I made this plane.
Whoa, it's a futuristic.
I need to work on a commission.
It's a fighter jet.
Yep.
Oh, it's a fighter jet.
Yeah.
See. Taxi time. Beep beep. Wait for me.
What's their color palette again? They sent me a picture off Pinterest.
Come on.
Oh my god. Pull up.
Remember.
Okay, what just happened?
Just go slow.
Astro, I did not
Alright.
lose because
Pull up.
shark.
Stupid plane.
My game lagged.
What about me?
Stupid.
What about me? What about me? What about me?
This was originally a glider, futuristic glider, but I made it into a jet, so
What about me?
pull up.
What about me and you together?
Pull up.
Pretending to really last
Yes,
forever. What about
flying.
me? What about
Praise
me?
Brush, I need your help.
Yes?
You know what? I'll use the
Please
mountain
do
to
not
go up.
round.
Easier.
What?
I need you to move this biscuit.
What about me?
And that's what I meant by playing around.
You really did the same.
Hey, I know you
No.
don't care for me, but sometimes I just wish you would. You're the only one I see.
What about me?
Ultimate
bro.
plane thing.
What about me?
How's it
What
feel
about me
so much,
and you
so much
together?
I mean, it's not a bike, but I
Okay.
could still hit some combos.
My bad.
Should I have like a skinish color shirt like this? Astro, come here.
Alright, let me see if
I'm
I can land this
colorblind.
thing, bro.
I'm not
Oh,
playing
look
that.
at
Come here. Should my shirt
I'm
be
colorblind.
this
Yeah.
color? Blue. Hold on.
Oh no.
Oh,
Should it be this color?
Land,
And hold
land, land.
on. Like
Don't crash, don't crash, don't crash.
this on my shirt. Look.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
kinda had a
I
crash
am
land.
looking.
You're not.
That's okay
looking.
though.
I am.
Oh my.
It's
If we
this one.
if we lose the bull cap, kill the
Pretty
dog.
tough.
No.
Well, fuck you.
And yeah, I tried to make a working
I don't like the color.
thing.
Shut the fuck up.
Space capsule. Oh yeah.
Just,
I'll kill the dog.
I'm gonna murder him. Okay. Well.
I want to see this.
Kissing your girlfriend tonight.
Oh, you better give
Well.
me a kiss. Yo, love you too, bro.
That is.
No.
Bye bye. Have a nice
I
day.
want the kiss. I want the physical